Maggie to the rescue!
Hey everybody! Maggie's here with our old friends from my thrift haul and the Rockin Big Hair makeover. Thank you, Maggie. You can have a seat. And as you can see, I put Kira's hair in some braids and Barbie's hair in twist curls held in with bobby pins. I've been wanting to test out these techniques on this more dry and fluffy Barbie hair to see if it works. It might not. First I spritzed it with water, then I twisted until it curled, then pinned. After I pinned it all up, I dried it with a blow dryer, alternating hot and cool settings, and then I just let it sit for a day. And I put Kira's big fluffy hair into braids and did the same thing, but again, it might not crimp the way other doll hair that is a different texture might, so we'll see. So I'm going to start with Barbie's twist curls. I've already decided even if they do curl well, I want to brush out the curls to see what texture I get from that, because, you know, I still want them to be, their hair to be big. Unfortunately, this earring falls out because the post is really short. So it looks like the twists work in a kind of snaky, crimpy way. We'll see if it keeps some curly, crimpy texture when I comb it out too. If you want this look, you can just keep it and not comb it out. But again, since I want her hair to stay big, I want to experiment with what I can do. Now I wish I had curled it to the very ends instead of leaving the ends straight, though I'm not totally sure I'd be able to do that. Okay, I'm gonna brush it. It's still keeping wave and bigness. Barbie isn't very modest. I like it. I like the front better than the back though. Earring back in. I won't glue it, but if she gets adopted, then someone else can. I'm going to start taking Kira's braids out. So one of the reasons I'm doing this is because I have an original Totally Hair Barbie that I want to crimp her hair again. And I don't really like how the heat crimpers look. Do you guys? For some reason, I'd just much rather use braids if possible. And I'll do much smaller ones on that Barbie if this works. This is great. The braids made really nice waves. And I'll see if they keep their shape when I comb it out. If so, I'll definitely try this on my Totally Hair Barbie and make a video of it, of course. It seems like they're keeping their shape. I'm just spiking her bangs up a little more than I did last time. Last time I sort of teased it big, but now it's from the waves. Do you see she has a little scratchy stain on her cheek? I might use a magic eraser, but I also don't want to scratch it more. We'll see. So I just bought this doll, which I think is a real Rockers doll. Her eyeshadow sure looks like it. Her hair is going to be a challenge, but isn't she fantastic? I think I might try using straws as curlers on her. Some of you have mentioned that. I haven't ever done that before, so that'll be another video for the future. Okay, I'm going to get them set up and let you know my thoughts on the twist curls and braid crimps in the reveal. So the twist curls for Cool Times Barbie is still big and fun. The back is okay, but I like it the best in the places in the front that the curls are still showing. If I do this on another doll who needs big hair, I won't brush it out as much. Her jacket is a Sensations jacket, by the way, not a Rockers jacket. As for Kira, actually, if she's really a Rockers doll, I think her name is Dana. Anyway, I love these waves. You can tell the smaller braids crimped better. And I still think she has a Cher vibe, which I love. So let's take a look at them from the thrift haul originally. And here they are after their first makeovers, which I like about the same. Maggie's in her rocker shirt. It was fun to experiment on them. I hope they didn't mind. I love these 80s dolls. And when I work on who I think is Dee-Dee from the Rockers, I'll have some fun accessories for her too that I recently got. And I'm also super excited to do my Totally Hair Barbie's makeover. So lots to come. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to Maggie to the Rescue, be sure to join us. Thanks everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.